Okay, so today we're going to build a simple webinar funnel. Let's make it in Facebook first and then copy it to other messengers. Our flow will consist of reminders to upcoming webinar. Before building the funnel in BotHelp, we created in Miro. You can use any mind map you prefer. It's just easier for us to visualize everything in just copy paste the messages to BotHelp. As you can see, the funnel is very simple. It contains only 6 messages that we're now going to transfer to BotHelp. So you go to BotHelp, you go to section flows of the menu and click new flow. Choose Facebook, give it a title, choose the channel and create the flow. Now you copy the first message of the funnel, already prepared, and paste it in BotHelp. We recommend to title the step and add the name of the user. And you can also place the images if you like. You can add the picture to the message. We're going to show how. Just clicking on picture, choose the right photo and place it. You can also add the file or even the video to the text, but we're going to show you how to add the button. Let's give our button a title and you choose the button type. You can use either the link, next step, or you can offer your customers a phone call. In our case, we use the link. And so we enter the website where the bonus awaits the customer. Click Save and close. Here it is. Now we move to the second step and we copy the prepared second message and transfer it to BotHelp. We also give it the name. We also add the name of the user. And now we're gonna add some useful information that you can send to your customers, and this is the file. You choose and upload and click on save and close. Now, important note here, guys, we want this second message to be delivered at a certain date on a certain time. For doing this, you need to set up a delay. Now we're gonna do it. In the bottom right corner of BotHelp, you click on delay button. When we have an exact date and time, you choose the delay type as to send to, and you indicate this sharp time of sending. Let it be 10 a.m. and also check the weekday. It should be delivered Wednesday in our case. Click save and close. Now you have the delayed reminder created. Now you connect all 3 boxes with arrows, like this. We have this second reminder and the third message. We copy it from my map and we paste it to BotHelp. So we did the same and created a third message. Now, guys, I will show you how to set up a different delay. For example, we need this reminder to be sent 2 hours before the webinar. We go to delay, choose type send to, indicate time for sending 5 p.m. given we run the webinar at 7 p.m. Leave Wednesday as our webinar date and click save. Now you connect all the 3 boxes, and that's it. Now we're gonna set up delay for further message exactly in the same manner, but we're gonna send this reminder 30 minutes before the webinar goes live. We made the text, we give it the name, and we add the name. And we connect all the boxes. Okay, for the next reminder, we're gonna set up a delay after the webinar. Now we have 2 messages left. I hope you're still watching, by the way. These 2 messages will be sent after the webinar goes live. The first one is a notification that the webinar has started. It is scheduled 5 minutes after the webinar goes live. We copy the text and we go to BotHelp. By the way, you can copy the step instead of making a new one, just as easy as that. And you change the text. And you click Save and Close. Now we're gonna set up the delay in the same manner we did. Just indicate 5 minutes after 7 in the time of sending. And save and close. For the last message, we push those who haven't joined to come and send the notification 20 minutes after the webinar has already been live. Just as we did before, we set up 7:20 p.m. as time of sending, and voila, our funnel is ready. Now the next step is to set this live in the upper menu and test the flow. So you see we tested the bot, and the next reminders will come as per scheduled time. You can use the flow we created for your webinar funnels. I hope you enjoyed the video. By the way, guys, I left the link to this flow under the video. You can use it for your funnels, just changing the settings. And don't forget to press pause when you make adjustments to your flow and go live to launch the bot. Now, if you want to use this bot in several messengers, you go to settings in the right upper corner, select convert this flow and choose the channel you want to paste it. It can be Telegram or Viber. For WhatsApp, you will have to create the flow manually. You can't copy it. Okay. So now you see we copied it to Telegram and we set it live. Now we're going to show how to launch our bots. You go to Growth Tools. You have several options for placing the bots. We're going to show how to launch the bot from your landing page. We need to create a widget. You click on New Tool in the right upper corner of BotHelp, choose New Widget button, give it a name, add the text if needed, select a channel, Facebook in our case, choose the flow, webinar in our case. You can choose the size of the button and location type. And by the way, you can add several buttons of different messengers to your website. For example, Telegram or WhatsApp. But it's optional. When you go next, you get the code that you copy to clipboard and embed to your website.